I'll put it on.
If you're new here, welcome! Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video.
The bathroom, and he's like, well, do you want to go? I'm like, no, I think I'll wait till Lori's. And then we went looking for somewhere to eat, and well, we had to go way off the beaten path when we come here. So we went to 35-minute ride out of the way.
I've never eaten at a Sonic.
Oh, the onion rings are so good.
Are they? All right, you can bend your knee and put your foot
so
flat.
good. It was like snowing when we left our house, a little bit.
Today?
Yep. Like the temperature said it was 27, felt like 26, and it was flurries out.
Yep. Yeah, we bought a ski boat in '96, wasn't it?
Video.
I'm gonna be really surprised if it actually reattaches.
Oh, it will.
See?
Gotta watch, I just did a series of
I swear that stuff is like miracle
Clients
stuff.
are looking for you. Join me. Do you have what it takes to help change people's lives? Join my network. I'll teach you everything you need to know. Did you know there are different types of nail fungus? I will give you a snippet here. There are mold fungus, yeast fungus, athlete's feet fungus, and dermatophyte fungus. And sometimes the nail can have more than one. I teach you all about it in my specialized pedicure course on my online nail academy. That module is included in the pedicure certification course or individually. And that training is about 2 hours in total. So there's a lot of information on it. So check out academy.themeticulousmanicurist.com.
hurt. You sure?
Mm-hmm. I can't believe I don't feel no pressure, no pinch, no
That's
nothing.
amazing. You soak that one for a little bit longer too, so that helps.
Seen that one video, that dark skinned lady you had with them toes going to, like, holy cow, that thing took a hook to left or right. Or whatever.
Oh yeah, the ram's horn.
It was like, holy cow. But she was happy afterwards.
Yes.
She was.
Little by little, inch by inch.
Here.
Yeah. Go daddy about my domain name.
Mm-hmm.
Have you done that?
Oh yeah.
And they're still messing around like that.
Yeah.
I guess that's a form of flattery because I don't even get that, and it makes me mad because they totally case my idea and then they like don't give me a shout out or nothing.
Yeah, there's been about 4 different YouTube channels that got shut down this past month because they kept taking my videos and uploading my videos.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.